Hello, I am Shikha Yadav. This video is about the difference between curd and buttermilk. Buttermilk is healthy food. They are both beneficial natural probiotics for the intestines. Both curd and buttermilk can be traced back to milk. In truth, buttermilk is a byproduct of curd and the two are nutritionally equivalent. Buttermilk is the liquid left behind after the curd has been churned. To separate the fats, it is first diluted with water and churned. Herbs and spices are added to the buttermilk after it has been separated to increase its advantages. 5 major differences between buttermilk and curd. Buttermilk is high in calcium, vitamin B12, zinc and proteins. It helps in the growth of good bones, reduces high cholesterol, prevents cancer and reduces stress. Calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, B5, B2, potassium and proteins are all found in curd. These nutrients help in the prevention of hypertension and heart disease. Curd or yogurt, according to Ayurveda, is a healthy choice, but it requires a strong digestive system. Buttermilk, on the other hand, can help calm an inflamed stomach lining following a spicy meal. It also helps in the treatment of hyperacidity. Buttermilk is also a wonderful choice for people who are lactose intolerant. The right time to consume. Curd consumption at night, according to Ayurveda, is a major mistake. So the optimal time to eat yogurt is around the lunch hour when the digestive system is at its most active. Buttermilk can be consumed at any time of day. However, 15 minutes before breakfast is the optimal time to eat buttermilk. If you have stomach issues, drinking buttermilk first thing in the morning can help. Their impact on weight. When compared to curd, buttermilk has less fat and calories. Buttermilk is an excellent alternative for people looking to lose weight. Buttermilk has 40 calories per 100 grams, whereas curd has 98 calories per 100 grams. Curd, on the other hand, is a better alternative for individuals looking to gain weight. Which one is better? We can say that curd and buttermilk are both healthy and nutritious food. Each has its own set of advantages. Buttermilk, on the other hand, is superior to curd when it comes to digestive advantages and weight loss characteristics. Curd, on the other hand, is a healthier choice if you are being told to reduce your fluid consumption or if you are trying to gain weight. However, you must eat curd in the correct manner and at the appropriate time. This is all about this topic. For more such interesting updates, keep watching Krishi Jargon Business. Thank you.